Yeah.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've paid enough of petty dues. I've heard enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh.
Hey guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? I'm going to properly introduce the vlog, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I just finished cooking and I made this beautiful breakfast, heavy breakfast, but I didn't eat very well yesterday night. So yeah, let me show you guys what the food looks like. This is what the food looks like and it is just so beautiful. I can't wait to dig in. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla, and if you're new, you're very welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and for watching my videos. Anyways, I'm sure you guys have noticed that we are in a new environment, a new place. So I don't know if I have the time to like update you guys on everything that's happened, but because I'm in a hurry to go somewhere. But we moved from Port Harcourt to Akwa Ibom for NYC, as you guys already know. And now that I'm done with camp, I have to do my, what's that called, stuff called, I can't remember, I'll put it on the screen, but like I have that for a year. So during that during that period of 1 year, I'm going to be staying in this place. I got an apartment, and I don't think I'm going to give you guys a full tour, but you guys are going to see, like, you guys are basically going to see everything, but I'm not going to do like a full ass tour of the apartment. But yeah, I just made it my own. I just made it beautiful for me and all. Anyways, that's the update for now. I want to go to the market because I'm now cooking for myself. Oh my god, I've not gotten used to saying that, like I'm actually cooking for myself. And the responsibilities is actually a lot. Anyways, yeah, I'm dressed up. As you guys know, my boo is out, meaning that I'm in for serious business. I'm about to go to the market. I hope you guys can hear me because I don't know why I'm speaking inside my mouth. Like, why? Yeah, that's it, Sha. I got a new tripod before I came to Akwa Ibom. I literally just ordered it out of the blue. Like, I was just like, I need a smaller tripod, and I just ordered it and it came that day. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys, maybe, but I'm using it. That's what I'm using to film. But yeah, that's the update. I hope you guys can see me. Yeah, bye.
I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love, and it's still love, and it's still love, it's still love, still love, still love, and it's still love, and it's still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me.
Oh my god, hi guys, welcome to a new week. I hope you guys can see me and I hope I'm in frame. Okay, let me just move back a little. Anyways guys, today is Monday and work is officially starting today, so I'm going to be filming like my first full week as a corporate lawyer to be. I'm going to be showing you guys just few things, how I'm preparing for work, and just a glimpse of everything I'm going to be doing this week. This week is going to be quite productive. I work 3 days a week, or at least I think I do. I work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I have my CDS on Thursday, and on Friday I have like a side training that I am doing. So I'm basically working 3 times a week. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday was Sunday and yesterday was so good. I went to CCI for the first time and oh my god, it was everything and more. The teaching, you guys, they teach. Do you get? They teach. And you know what that reminds me of? It reminds me of in the Bible around Matthew when they say Jesus is a good teacher. Do you get? He teaches. So I've always wanted to go to a church where they teach and not where they preach. Do you get? And yesterday they taught, like they actually taught, and I loved every bit of it. They explained so well, like they broke down the Bible so well. It was so good. Like, oh my god, I'm definitely going to be going there from now on. Like, I've actually taken that church as my church. So yeah, yesterday was so good. I could not record anything yesterday because I actually forgot, and that's why I brought out my camera this morning, even though I am actually running a little late. I just told myself, like, I have to be serious. You know, the Bible says whatever you're doing, do it well. So I'm actually trying to be more serious with this YouTube thing. I love YouTube. I love creating videos. I love putting all my videos out there. So I definitely need to do more about it. So yeah, that's it. Welcome to a new week, a new vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm actually being serious about my fitness journey. Like this morning, I don't know if you guys saw, I think you guys saw, I actually did Pilates, mat Pilates this morning, and I'm going to try to do it at least consistently for a full month so that I can see results. So yeah, that's what I did this morning. And funny thing is that I woke up really early this morning. I woke up by 6 o'clock. So I don't know why I am rushing. I woke up this early so that I can be able to film my content and not rush. But now I'm rushing. I don't know, like it's so annoying. Anyways, let's go and get breakfast ready. And let's see if I can end up cooking the plantain because I don't think I have that much time to do that. So yeah, bye.
Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days, no break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better, you moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me live to work again. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day.
Okay guys, so there's something I want to introduce to my channel. You guys know that a YouTube channel is either supposed to entertain you, educate you, and it's supposed to have a purpose. And I feel like I'm always just putting out content. So basically at the end of, either at the beginning of my videos or at the end of my videos, I'm going to give like an advice. Do you get? Not, is it an, yeah, something like an advice, like a quote that I feel like resonates with me throughout the week, or if it's a daily vlog that particular day, I'm just going to give out something, and I hope the quote or the advice speaks to somebody. Yeah, so at the end of this vlog or at the beginning, I'm going to basically give or say what I feel like my advice to somebody, or like a quote that resonates with me. So that's going to be a new addition to the channel, and I'm so excited for that. Anyways, I am in a hurry. I need to hurry up and put on my outfit, but before that, my lip combo, let's quickly run through that.
Never hearing what they say. I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and it's still love, and it's still love. It's still love, still love, still love, and it's still love.
This she wanted a pajama. ASMR book edition. This is my back row. and it has a bunch of cases inside, various cases. Guys, hi, this is my first time making a serious video at work, and I'm currently in my supervisor's office. She asked me to wait here. She wants to get something, so I'm currently waiting, and I hope I am not caught in the air because that is going to be so awkward. I also hope that I am not too close. You guys, I was not able to give you guys an OOTD of my outfit today, but I'm wearing a skirt. Can you believe it? A skirt and a top. Very simple. You guys know this top already. I just paired it with this black skirt also. Yeah, and my shoes are brown. My bag is brown. I didn't want to wear all black, so yeah, that's it. My lip combo is already clean, so you guys are not seeing me fully ready today. Just the afternoon Priscilla, and the afternoon Priscilla is kind of different from the morning Priscilla. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm making sense, but I just wanted to check up on you guys and check in because I haven't filmed anything today. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. The vlog is going to be ending tomorrow because I have my last day at work for the week is tomorrow, and then Thursday I have my CDS, which I will not be able to film because yeah, I don't think I'll even remember, but I'm going to end the vlog tomorrow. Yeah, that's it. Today I want to get a couple of things from the supermarket close to my office, so yeah, I'm probably going to film if I remember. I hope I remember. Fingers crossed, guys. I hope I remember. So that's the agenda for today. Yeah.
Still love, nothing but